Imagine it's 2025, you unlock your phone and see the headline, World War III has begun. This is no longer fiction. Welcome to Future Pulse, where we explore how World War III erupts from today's tensions, the flashpoints on the brink of ignition and the arsenals capable of destroying the world. Cause, the fuse of catastrophe. In 2025, Russia attacks Poland, a NATO member, following the Ukraine conflict. China blockades Taiwan, clashing with US warships. Iran launches missiles at Israel, triggering a Western response. One small mistake, a cyber attack or a misfired shot, could ignite the fire. With 12,000 nuclear warheads, catastrophe is only minutes away. Climax, Doomsday. The superpowers pressed the red button. Nuclear missiles obliterate London, Moscow, and Beijing within hours. Cyber warfare cripples global electricity and the internet. In 72 hours, 100 million people are dead, and major cities lie in ashes. Smoke from the explosions blankets the sky. A 1 megaton bomb levels 150 square kilometers, and hundreds have already detonated. Aftermath, the world after Doomsday. A nuclear winter lasts for decades, with temperatures dropping by 10 degrees Celsius and crops withering. Famine and disease kill billions. Economies collapse, and nations fall into food crises. Within 5 years, 50 to 70% of the world's population disappears. This is a devastated planet. Hope or despair? Which way out? From the ashes, some neutral countries like Iceland begin to rebuild. The old order has collapsed, but humanity can learn again. World War III is a wake-up call. Our actions today will determine the future. Do you think World War III will happen? How can we prevent it? Leave your thoughts in the comments, hit like, and subscribe to follow Future Pulse.